Sitting in my favorite place, where childhood dreams still call my name. Every wave brings back a memory, but nothing here feels quite the same. When people say go find your happy place, this is where my heart has always been. I never dreamed of just visiting, I dreamed of living here. I've always been outside the window, looking at the life I hoped I'd find, holding on with both hands while time kept slipping by. What if this is the last time my feet touch this familiar sand? What if the life I've always dreamed of slips right through my hands? I've spent my whole life believing if I just kept holding on, I wasn't dreaming of someday visiting. I dreamed of calling this place home. Since I was a little girl, I've pictured waking by the sea, building a life beside these waters where my heart has always wanted to be. I thought we'd share that dream together, walking every sunset hand in hand, growing old beside this shoreline, watching waves meet the sand. Now I wonder if that future only ever lived in me while I was planning all our tomorrows. You saw something different than I could see. I gave 10 years to rebuilding after everything fell apart, still trying to protect a dream I've carried inside my heart. What if this is the last time my feet touch this familiar sand? What if the life I've always dreamed of slips right through my hands? I've spent my whole life believing if I just kept holding on, I wasn't dreaming of someday visiting. I dreamed of calling this place home. The waves don't know my story, they simply kiss the shore. They've watched me through the seasons, and they'll be here once more. Maybe dreams can lose their shape without completely fading away. Maybe hope is like the ocean, always finding another way. Maybe this won't be the last time my feet touch this familiar sand. Maybe the life I've always dreamed of is waiting just beyond where I stand. I've spent my whole life believing, and I can't let go just yet. This island still feels like my home, even if I haven't reached it yet. This place has always been my dream, long before I knew your name. And somewhere beyond this horizon, I still believe I'll find my way home.